For students at TJ, Tabletop Games offers a unique place to gather, roll the dice, and just have fun.
So it's pretty much in the name. We just go and play tabletop games such as really anything like Catan, anything cards related, Fire Tower. There's a multitude and a myriad of any tabletop games, really.
Every meeting looks different, depending on the games people bring to the table.
It really depends on the game. Certain games, people generally stick to what they play, but oftentimes people will go and branch out and learn new games.
For many, the real draw isn't the games themselves, but the friendships that form from them.
I think the community is pretty tight. It's definitely a place where people can just be themselves.
You're never like at a table looking face to face with your friends and like enjoying laughs when you're like playing a video game or when you're like, I don't know, scrolling on Instagram.
That shared experience makes tabletop stand out from online games.
And that's one thing our club offers is like the ability to find new people or say bring your friends over and just play some board games and just sit together and just, do something.